Yo, these guys are everywhere, bro. You got another group of them over there as well. Look at that. There's a massive group of them. All broken down into little sections. So you got a team over there. And I think they broke them down in like different levels of fitness. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna do the hill session there, hill reps. So I'm just gonna run up that. I'm gonna catch them up. I'm gonna make them go first and then catch them up. Give them roughly what? 10 seconds head start. That's roughly about it. 10 seconds, that guy's far enough. All the way up the top. Come on, let's go. Catch them up. Don't let me catch you. 6:19 in the morning.
At your immaculately clean car. I'm thinking, mind needs doing.
Alright. Sit down. Says what? 9 o'clock now. I'm just waiting on my mate. Said was gonna be here in the next 5 minutes or so, so just waiting out. So the plan is go for a 3 miler, then go and use the gym, do some leg session. So I'm just waiting out, see what time we rock up. That's the thing, that's why I like to go running on my own. As what Paddy said, you get the job done, mate. I'll give him a call. You coming? Come on, mate, it's time now. Bloody hell. Oh, you're still in bed? Alright, mate, I'll see you later. No worries, mate. We catch up later. Alright, bye. What a waste of time, guys. So, I'm on my own today, so I'm saying 3 miler and then go and do some leg session. So, come on, let's do it. Apparently, he's still in bed. What a timing. Come on, let's go. Yeah, that's one thing I hate though, yeah? Go running with other people. Got the other studio up. But because my mate told me 9 o'clock. Then it's 9. When I rang him, he's in bed. Waste of time, blood. We got some more park runners. Got loads of guys here doing park exercise. I think these guys here is the BMF guys, British military fitness. Take me a while to say that, yeah. So good set of guys, ex-military owned brand, so yeah, quite good. But not part of that today.
Oh, that's easy.
Don't let me catch you. Don't let me catch you. Come on, gents, come on. Well done, ladies, come on. Almost there. Come on, gents, come on, ladies. Don't let me catch you, come on. Come on. I'm not even part of the team, but I'm joining in. Well done. Guys, I'm done well there. Huh? No worries, I'll get there someday. No worries, have a good one. Come on, ladies. Well done. So yeah, quick hill sprint there. Didn't catch the first one up, it was quite fast. But yeah, got some more coming up. I think it's starting to fit the group. I don't want to really disturb them too much. But yeah, I'm just minding my own business anyway, innit? I'll do my session. So yeah, got the first group coming up. Stronger group, here's one. Not bad. Oh yeah, come on, get the job done, fella. So you got another group over there again, smashing it out. I think it's loads of them. That's like the fourth group now. Doing good. Getting smashed with press-ups. I think a bit of, I think they're getting a bit of punishment there. I think I might go with this up. They're going up. Ah, I don't know. Get another hill session in. So that's what, you're looking at maybe 10 meters, 15 meters now. Yeah, so I'm going off it. Can't get the front man up. Front man, super quick, strong. That's it, well done. Keep going, well done. Come on ladies, keep going. Well done you. Number 83. Well done. Keep going, 29, come on. Well done, 29, good effort. Well done, 90. Well done, keep going. You guys, I don't even work here, but you don't know. A bit of motivation always help. You can do it, well done. Come on, it's all downhill from here now. Just lean back at the waist, get the arms moving. Oh. Let's see, you're good to go.
I want to get back to it.
Oh, don't worry, you get there. You're doing good. Well done. Come on, 23, well done. Get them arms pumping. Nice one, 23. Good motivation, keep going. All downhill from here, big deep breath. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Well done. I think my job here is done. That's it. Motivation done for the day. Save some for myself. Head towards the gym now. Get a quick leg session. Oh, you got this place right here. Do absolutely delicious breakfast. So when you come to Greenwich, you come here heaps. Coming back shortly. Straight after my leg session. And get it in. Come on, let's do this.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you...
This is it. You know, this place where I always come to when I'm in Greenwich. Well, I'm not far away either, you know. So, this is where I come, heaps. Get breakfast, it's absolutely good breakfast, guys. So if you're in Greenwich at any time, yeah, just make your way down here. Support the local place, you know what I mean? Instead of go Starbucks and place like that. Local people, yeah. And do your thing, but absolutely good breakfast, guys. Try it out. Look at all this muscle fun, bro. Yeah? Bloody hell, nice one, mate. Keep it up, mate. One day you'll be like him.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Alright, see you later, mate.
Talk to them. So basically, I build drone from scratch and do a bit of programming, a bit of flying, some filming as well with a GoPro. And I was out flying
Yeah, guys, he's really good. Check him out.
And I came across it, and then yeah, I'll shall I give you a link in the description to my YouTube?
Yeah.
I haven't got any content on the YouTube at the moment, but
very soon.
So I'll try and come. I've got a friend who's to get editing and stuff.
Oh, well, what's your Instagram name at the moment?
Guesty FPV.
Yeah, I think you want to spell it out.
Guesty FPV.
Oh, guys, guys, he's really good, guys. So check him out. Yeah, and he's doing it for free. Yeah. So you know what I mean. Big kudos to I think to him, because as I said, you know, to bring his own car, is he looking at maybe 120 quid
for what?
Or something like that to fix it?
Yeah.
You know?
I don't know.
Yeah, roughly that.
Yeah.
You know, so you know, it's quite expensive, guys. So we're just gonna fly the drone now, set it up, fly, and get some good shot, and put James' work to the test. Cool. All right, that's what. What a day, what a day, what a day, what a beautiful day. Yeah, guys, see, I've met James just now, yeah? Top bloke, absolutely top bloke. Sought my drone out for free, so just got it back, you know, so it was only a minor fix, but you know what I mean, he did it and it's all good, so you don't know, big things coming soon. I'm gonna put his link in my description, yeah guys, so go over to his page, his IG page, check him out, show him some love. Hopefully see you soon, maybe we can do a vlog together. But for all my subscribers and viewers watching, you don't know, share, post, tweet, and I don't know, I'll see you tomorrow.